Hello everyone, I am Bhageshri. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to share two Warli Art home decor DIY. This art form is easy to create and looks very beautiful. So let's start with our first DIY. Here I am using hardboard from waste chessboard. Here I am pasting another layer of cardboard to make it more thick. Now here I have white color thick cotton fabric, pasting it on the board by using fabric glue. Now here our DIY canvas base is ready. Here I am creating terracotta color and applying it on the board. On the edges I am using black acrylic color to give it a nice border. Here I am drawing rough sketch for Warli Art. Here I am using white acrylic color to draw Warli Art pattern. Here I am creating border pattern on second canvas board. Here we are using cardboard as a base, so it's very lightweight, so you can hang it to the wall using double-sided tape. Let's switch on to the next DIY. Here I have plastic bottle, also having a piece of fabric which have beautiful Warli painting. Now here I am going to paste this fabric on the bottle by using fabric glue. Here I am creating homemade gesso to apply on the bottle. Also adding terracotta shade acrylic color in it, so no need to recolor it. Applying it on the bottle, let it dry for few hours. Now here I am using white acrylic color and drawing some easy Warli Art pattern to highlight the borders. We can decorate this bottle by adding money plant cutting in the water. Now here our beautiful Warli Art bottle decor is ready to decorate. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.